How to fix Samsung internet browser has stopped on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and here scroll down until you find apps and now click apps again and here type Samsung internet, click on it and then click for stop and now click storage and then clear cache, and if that doesn't fix your problem just click clear data and click OK. And now go to Play Store and make sure your Samsung internet browser is updated, and that's it. Now restart your phone and try again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.